Today, I have expert Raina with me, and we are going to talk about the law of superposition. Raina, tell us why you have studied the law of superposition.
Well, when we recently traveled out west, we did a lot of sightseeing. We saw mountains, hills, cliffs, canyons, and most importantly, Devil's Tower. I saw different layers of rock. I then started to wonder how those land formations even form.
That is very interesting, Raina. I had wondered the same thing. Can you teach us about the law of superposition?
Yes, to make it simple to start, the oldest rocks are going to be on the bottom and the youngest rocks will be on the top of the formation. Rock layers are referred to as strata.
So cool. That really makes sense.
It really does. Think of it like a layer of cake. The bottom layer is placed on a plate or hard surface to hold it. You then cover that layer with icing. After you add that layer, you add another layer of cake. The same thing happens with layers of rock, but it is caused by the weathering and sediments found in the ground. Wind and water cause erosion. Then more layers form over what was eroded away.
You mentioned canyon before. Have you ever been to the Grand Canyon to see all of the layers there?
I have not. But let's talk about the millions of years it has taken to build the Grand Canyon with all the sedimentary rock. You can actually walk down the canyon using the layers to help you get to the bottom. In some cases, if you look closely, you can actually see the layers.
It sounds like your trip out west really sparked an interest for you. It is great that you took the time to look into the law of superposition, and thank you for teaching me about it.
You're welcome. It is a really interesting law. Rocks are never destroyed, but can definitely be broken down by weathering. It is also neat how it then causes the layers in land formations. Just remember, the oldest rocks are on the bottom and the newer ones are on the top.